If you're a Linux user and you use WhatsApp, you've probably noticed one thing. There isn't an official WhatsApp desktop application for Linux, but that doesn't mean you have to keep reaching for your phone every time a WhatsApp message arrives. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to use WhatsApp on Linux. First, we'll start with ZapZap, a dedicated Linux desktop application that gives WhatsApp Web its own desktop window, notifications, system tray integration, and support for multiple accounts. We are going to install ZapZap using Flatpak. First, check if Flatpak is installed. If not, install it. So ZapZap is an unofficial WhatsApp web desktop client for Linux. Instead of opening WhatsApp Web in a browser tab every time, ZapZap puts WhatsApp into its own dedicated desktop application. Under the hood, it is essentially using WhatsApp Web, but the application adds desktop-oriented features such as system tray integration, notifications, multiple account profiles, and desktop window behavior. So if you want WhatsApp to behave more like a normal Linux application, this is a really convenient option. Now add the Flathub repository. Flathub is the main app store for Flatpak packages. Enable it by running this command. Now installing ZapZap is very straightforward. You can install it with this command, press enter, confirm the installation, and Flatpak will download the application and its required components. Once the installation is complete, open your application menu and search for ZapZap. Let's launch it. And this is the first thing you'll see. ZapZap is going to give us the WhatsApp web interface inside its own application window. You'll normally see a QR code that we can use to link our WhatsApp account. So now grab your Android or iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, then Linked Devices. Choose Link a Device. Your phone may ask you to authenticate, and then you'll be able to scan the QR code displayed here in ZapZap. And that's it. Once the QR code has been scanned, WhatsApp should begin synchronizing your account with ZapZap. This is using WhatsApp's linked device system. WhatsApp's multi-device architecture allows companion devices to connect independently while maintaining end-to-end encryption. Now let us look at using WhatsApp Web in your browser. This method is probably the easiest of all. You don't need ZapZap. You don't need to install a Flatpak. You don't need any additional software. Just open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web, and you'll be presented with the WhatsApp Web login screen. Just like with ZapZap, we'll use the linked device feature. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, Linked Devices, and then link a device. Then scan the QR code displayed in your browser. And that's how you can use WhatsApp on Linux. If you want the desktop app experience, ZapZap is a very convenient option. And if you don't want to install anything, just open WhatsApp Web in Firefox, Chrome, Chromium, or another supported browser and link your account. ZapZap is great if you want WhatsApp separated from your browser and integrated into your Linux desktop. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.